to make inventory report. On your Applications tab, click on Inventory Application. Wait for the inventory screen to load and Inventory Overview will populate your screen. Go to Reporting and click Inventory Report. After clicking Inventory Report, a new tab will populate your screen. Then click on Inventory at Date. Upon clicking Inventory at Date, a new tab will pop up asking to confirm the inventory date and time. Inventory date and time are editable. Then, click Confirm. Upon confirming, wait for the screen to load the Inventory Report tab. To export the inventory report, click the Download button on the upper left of your screen. Upon clicking, it will download Excel file copy. Notes: once inventory report has been exported, it can be automatically printable.